Welcome to the Museum of Andover History at the Old Town Hall in Andover, Connecticut. Hello, here at the museum we have a telephone, crank telephone, sold by the Montgumary Ward Company. I believe it was manufactured by the Kellogg Company. This is the style of phone that would have been in local houses in the late 1800s, early 1900s, possibly going up to 1920s and even 30s. To make a phone call, you would just pick up the ear set, which would connect everything inside here to the main line. You would turn the hand crank, which is generating electricity through this magneto. This is AC current. They would go out and alert the operator that you wanted to make a phone call. The operator would then plug you in. It's also ringing here because it's powering this set of magnets that are causing a striker to go back and forth between the bells. Once the operator connected you to the line, the DC current would take over. That would be what would transmit your voice and bring the voice of the person you're calling back to you. So again, the AC current would go out and cause the bells to ring on all the local phones on the party lines as well as at the operator station. Once the notification was done, the DC current would take over. Once you had the connection, you would just speak into the horn here, listen through the hose, then you're all set. Just hang up. Now these phones were generally all on party lines, which could mean you could have 10 dozen folks all on the same line. People could listen in if they wanted to. There was nothing to alert you that somebody else was listening on the line. But by the same token, nobody else could make a phone call while you were on the line as well. So. Believe it or not, these were still in use up until 1983. I believe it is. There was a small town up in Maine that still had the magneto alert telephones in use up to 1983.